We already have a demonstration of the Sysmic application yesterday.
Okay. So this is the mixed build, so there's not going to be too much different. I can kind of hit a few points differently, but obviously you have the home screen, which it unlocks.
T'as commencé à filmer déjà?
Ouais.
Ah merde.
Okay.
On va recommencer.
So got the home screen, swipe to unlock. We've got the start page with the live tiles. You'll notice it's surfacing information here about friends. This is all real time. Contact information about me, in this case my wife. You slide to be able to get to different parts on the screen and be able to quickly get around. Very simple. We do a lot of hinting to be able to give you ideas of where you can go. You know, here you'll see the arrow, which means there's information over here, so you're able to jump over to the applications, come back here to be able to jump in. If I wanted to go take a look at something like, say, Office, you just tap, go straight in, and what we have here is a concept called panoramas, which means that you're able to slide across different panes. And so we have visual hints that kind of go to it. This is where you'd see your OneNote. You'll take a look at your documents, and we purposely cut off the text here in order to be able to show that you could go back this way if you wanted to. And then jump into documents you might have here. SharePoint, this is all connected to SharePoint, so files actually sync up automatically back to OneNote. Can't drill down into it any deeper at this point. Not much I can show you on the gaming side because this phone isn't wired to the live gaming site, but it has the same panorama concept. You'll be able to take a look at your collection of games. You'll be able to see your avatar, your friends. One of the panes that's not here currently is a notification pane. We're able to have invites and nudges and game notifications that tell you when it's your turn, so you're going to be able to really easily jump around. Go back home. Outlook is one people tend to like to see too, where you can quickly take a look at your mail. You can see all of your mail, your unread mail, flagged mail, quickly jump around, go urgent mail, back to all. If you wanted to do multi-select, you just tap on the first letter and it slides that out, so you're able to jump into that. You can do that if you want to do something like that. In this case, I don't want to delete it because I just want to have some sample ones here, but I could go to the more options and I could say, okay, I'm just going to mark it as unread. So I'll mark it as unread and now they're done. And then just jump back into here. Messaging is just as you expected. Text messages all lined up. I can jump in and take a look, you know, what Mark Boyer might have sent. Looks like he sent a photo here. If I wanted to reply back, I'll type back into it, attach a photo to it, anything I wanted there. Go back. Back always takes you back within the application. Home always takes you back to the start page.
What about web browsing?
Web browsing. Go to Internet Explorer.
Wait, which version is it? 7?
The honest answer is it's 7 with extensions from 8 and even bits of 9 into it. And it's a hybrid.
Okay, hybrid.
Yep. So then you have the web browser, you know, pinch and zoom as you would expect, beautiful fonts, double tap to kind of line up the column. We have bad connectivity in this place, so it's not worth me trying to load up a page right now, but this is obviously the New York Times. Go back home, and then the last thing I can show you is the People Hub, which is where we can surface all sorts of information about different people in your life. I'm going to go back here because I was drilled into a contact there. This is the top of the People Hub. I can go look at, you know, what's new. These are the social networks that are aggregating all of their information. You can see the conversations, pictures they're posting, their comments. Go to the recent people. These are the most recent people that I've communicated with. I'll come back to that. Go to the ability for you to, you know, search by anybody. But I just tap on the letter. It shows me my entire address book. I'll go to H just for the heck of it and say there's Holly. She was who I was looking for. I can drill into Holly, and then there's the information about Holly, including the mobile information, address, all those other things you might want to do.
From which social networks does it come, this one? It's on Facebook?
This contact is actually an Outlook contact, but if I go back and I show you the people, the aggregation of what's new,
yes.
It tells you this one's from Facebook, there'll be Twitter, there'll be all of the social network feeds that Windows Live actually aggregates. So that's basically it.
So you can set it up as you want.
Yeah. There you go.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Sure.